guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. In this video, I'm creating yet another festive makeup look. Okay, so this makeup look is something which is very vibrant, it's young, it has color and it looks very glam, and also it's very simple to achieve. Okay, so you can wear this with your traditional outfits or like an Indo-Western outfit. Like I'm wearing a dress and I did this eye makeup, and of course I added some Indian jewelry to create that Indo-Western look. So yes, let's get started and learn to create this makeup look.
So I'm using this dry oil serum from Perenne, just putting like one drop on each side and massaging my face with it. This oil serum is absolutely dry and it won't leave your skin sticky or oily, so it's great for all skin types. Next, I'm taking this NYX Total Control Pro Drop Foundation, just shaking the bottle before I start using it, and now putting few drops on my mixing plate, and with the help of this damp beauty sponge, I'm applying the foundation all over my face. The shade that I'm using is Soft Beige. Next, I'm taking this concealer from Too Faced, and I absolutely love this concealer. In fact, I've done a review also about Too Faced concealer and foundation. I love the full coverage that it gives. So I'm using the shade Golden Beige, and I applied this concealer just under my eyes, and again with the damp beauty sponge, I am blending this concealer under the eye and also on my eyelid. Now to set this concealer, I'm using this translucent powder from Mercier, and I will leave this powder under the eyes for some time. It's called baking. Now for the rest of the face, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder and using a powder brush to apply this all over my face to set my foundation in place. Now my favorite bronzer of all time, this one is from Benefit. The shade is called Huda, and I use this to contour my face. I absolutely love this bronzer. It's just a perfect shade for my skin. Alright, so let's start with the eye makeup now. I'm taking this rose gold palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm using this lightest brown shade in the palette and applying this on my crease. Next, I'm taking this shimmer shade from the palette, and I'm using my finger to apply this shade. You know, all these shimmer shades, they look more intense when applied using a finger. So make sure you do that. And I'm using my neutral shades because I'll be using a colorful liner. So this is the liner that I'm using today. Now this pencil is from Revlon, and it's such a stunning green color. So I'm just drawing a straight line using this pencil. Now I'm just smudging this eyeliner. I always like when the color is little diffused instead of like that straight eyeliner. So yes, just doing that using this smudging brush. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade from the palette and darkening the outer corners just to give more depth to the eyes. Alright, so removing this loose powder that I had left under the eyes, and you can see my under eye area is looking absolutely bright. Using this highlighter from PAC Cosmetics and applying it on my highlighting points and also in the inner corner. This makes the eye look a little brighter and bigger. Now using this mascara from Too Faced, I curled my lashes before using the mascara. I always do this step as it makes your eyes look more bigger and opened and lifted. Now using a black kajal pencil in the waterline. This kajal pencil is from PAC Cosmetics. After this, I'm smudging a brown eyeshadow in the lower lash line. Alright, so now to make that green eyeliner pop a little more, I am using this green eyeshadow and applying it just on top of that liner. This will make my eyeliner a little more brighter, and I think it looks slightly more better now. So we are done with the eye makeup completely. Now let's get back to our skin. I'm using this blusher from NARS. The shade is called Orgasm. It's a beautiful pink blusher. Now using this highlighter from PAC Cosmetics and applying it on my highlighting points. And since I'm wearing this strappy dress, so I will also put this highlighter on my collarbone because you got to glow, girl. I love how shiny, glowy and highlighted these collarbones are looking right now. Ooh, look at that. Alright, now let's go on to the lip part, and you're gonna love this combination. I'm telling you, I do this all the time when I want to make my lips appear slightly bigger. So what I'm doing is that I'm just lining my lips with a lip liner. Now I'm using this liquid lipstick from MAC. The shade is called Burnt Spice. Applying this all over my lips. Next, I'm taking this liquid lipstick from Stella. The shade is called Caramello. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'll mention everything in the description box. I'm using this shade only at the center of my lips, and with the help of a finger, I will just blend this shade. Now, this creates an ombre effect and makes your lips appear bigger and pouty. So guys, here is the complete look. I've added this Indian jewelry to complete this Indo-Western look, and as you can see, it is so easy to create a colorful eye makeup look by just using a pencil. And also remember, whenever you're using colors on your eyes, make sure that you go subtle with your lips, like how I have used just nude shades on the lips. And I hope you guys also enjoyed the ombre lip effect that you learned in this video. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and keep showing your love, guys. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye.